Are prop firms the end goal as a day trader? We're going to cover that in this video. We're also going to cover a couple other things revolving around live accounts in this video as well. But before we do, fam, we are live right here on YouTube Monday through Friday at the New York Open, day trading the NASDAQ. You see my red days, my green days, everything that involves me as a trader. You see it here, full transparency. I hide absolutely nothing. So if you can catch my live stream, smash that subscribe button. Also, we are doing a free day trading mastermind course on December 21st in Discord. Link in the description. Make sure you join up. We're covering market profile, everything from point of control to initial balance to value area. It's going to be a lot of information, very info heavy. It's going to be a long one, but it's going to be a good one. So if you want to catch that, be sure to hit that Discord link in the description. Join up. With that said, fam, let's get in the video. Prop firms are a great tool to use because they allow you to copy trade multiple accounts. We all love that as a trader. It has been a huge money maker for a lot of people. And honestly, it's changed a lot of lives for a bunch of traders in the industry. But are they really the end goal and what we should be focused on as a trader? To really dive into this concept, we need to understand and look at the big picture and where we want to be as a trader. What would happen if prop firms were no longer around? What would happen if prop firms were here for the next 10 to 20 years or forever, right? There's a lot to dive into and there's a lot to take note on and realize that we have multiple avenues as traders. The beauty of prop firms right now is that you can copy trade. You can take 5 accounts, copy trade them, all simultaneously, and that $3,000 payday turns into a $15,000 payday because you're taking 3,000 out amongst 5 accounts. So that really does create an opportunity for a trader to build a large amount of capital very, very fast. But what should you be doing with that capital? A couple of things come to mind. One, obviously paying yourself, make the money real, put it in your pocket and be good, right? But the other thing comes to mind is, why don't you trade a actual live personal account? Because what if prop firms were to not ever be here? What if they were to put in stricter rules, maybe stop paying you as much, right? Taking that $15,000, paying yourself 5 of it, putting 10 of it in a personal account gives you that backup account, gives you that cushion for you to actually fall back on. There's tons of people right now taking all of these payouts from multiple accounts and funding personal accounts as backups because, again, if prop firms were to go or to bounce out of here, what would we have? Nothing but our own capital. And just to be clear, do I really see prop firms disappearing? No, I don't really see them disappearing. They're probably going to be around in here for quite some time. So we have an opportunity to trade with them. But I think a lot of traders need to understand that prop firms are a tool and a tool only. They're not made for you to build careers around trading. They are meant for you to build up a large amount of capital that you did not have before to allow you to trade the actual markets. Now, while the opportunity presents itself, can you build a legit business around just day trading multiple accounts? Sure, you can. Right now, you very well can because the opportunity is there. But the opportunity is not always going to be there. And we're starting to kind of see that in the industry right now where a lot of firms are moving people into live accounts and taking away the ability to trade a live account simultaneously with 5 sim accounts. Prop firms are protecting themselves as a business. It is smart and is honestly better for the industry. I mean, what would happen if prop firms just kept paying traders out of sim accounts over and over and over again? Eventually, it could put a business in a bad spot. Look at Fast Track Trading. They went under, for example. They had 20 accounts and people were taking payouts after payouts after payouts. They started getting really good traders into their systems and into their business that were profiting and becoming profitable. And Fast Track can't keep up with that, right? That's why they went under. Think of it as a business move to provide longevity, not only for you as a trader, but for the business, to allow prop firms to be around much longer, which in turn giving you the opportunity to actually trade with them for a long period of time and build up capital and use them as a tool, which they are. Now, does that mean take payouts and then fund a personal account and only trade personal? Absolutely not. You can still copy trade. You can still use NinjaTrader, Replicanto, use all the copy trading tools, but include a personal account into that, right? Just for example, let's say you move into a live funded account with Tradify. Code JM, by the way, was it 50% off? If you get an account with Tradify live, you get an account with Perdia that's live, you get an account with TickTick or TopStep, you can log all of those into Tradify or NinjaTrader, excuse me, use NinjaTrader and Replicanto, copy trade all of them and include your personal account into that. So you can still copy trade through several accounts, but with different prop firms. They are a tool. They are allowing you to build capital. They are not careers. They are allowing you to build capital to turn trading into a career. My point of view is use them while they are here and available and as a tool to fund personal accounts, but still trade your personal account. Don't just only rely on prop firms. They're not the end goal, because at the end of the day, you do give up 10% of your profits. You have more tax benefits with trading a personal account. Unless a prop firm gives you like major incentives to trade live with them, it's more beneficial to trade a personal account. But you still should use these prop firms because, again, it is less risk for you at the moment. They take on all the risk. They give you an account for very, very cheap in comparison to what you can make. Tradeify, TickTick, Perdia, TopStep, these are all good businesses to get with and to actually trade and build up a capital for a low barrier of entry and little risk to you, even if you do have a big personal account. So with all that said, I'm curious, what are you using prop firms for? Are you using them to build a career? Are you using them to fund your own personal accounts? Are you using them to fund other businesses? Are you using them to just pay off debt, go on vacations? What are you using prop firms for? And ultimately, what is your end goal? What is the big picture you have for yourself as a trader, knowing that you have prop firms to use as a tool, but also you have a personal account to use on the side as well? Let me know down in the comments, guys. And if you like this kind of content, smash that like button. With serious storytellers, YouTube, hey, I like this guy, like content putting out. I want to see more of it. And with that said, fam, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.